Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Volkswagen Golf. Stock number is 18F302A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Volkswagen on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.